Dr Nandipha loses her arrest challenge. Guys, first of all, I want to thank the Lord for doing this amazing work on my day. The High Court in Bloemfontein has dismissed the application by Dr Nandipha to have her arrest and detention declared unlawful and wrongful. Judge Philip Lupsa also slapped Magudumana with a court order for 2 councils. Guys, isn't this beautiful news, guys? This is beautiful. This is amazing. The Lord is just amazing, guys. The Lord does things at the right time. Though Lobster said it was evident the process used to bring Magudumana back to the country was extradition without due process and not deportation, she was well aware of the charges she would face when she arrived back in South Africa from Tanzania. She consented to her removal because she wanted to be with her children. Dr Nandipha, who was with escape prisoner Thabo Bester at the time of her arrest, has 2 daughters from a previous marriage. The applicant, Magudumana, was aware at the time of her handing over by Tanzanian authorities to South African authorities of the charges she would face. She nevertheless consented, and based on that, the application is dismissed, Lobster said. The court said it has to accept the decision to deport Magudumana to her country of origin that was taken by Tanzanian authorities, but maintain the key question is whether South Africa and Tanzania colluded in the deportation. Deportation is usually an unilateral act, while extradition is consensual. It is patently clear the respondents, police and Home Affairs, willingly participated in the handing over at the airport, believing that such handing over was done under international law. They didn't realize this handing over was an extradition and not a deportation, Lobster said. The judge said should Magudumana wish to challenge the decision on her deportation, she should approach the court in Tanzania, as South African courts have no jurisdiction. Yo guys, Lobster said he could not rely on the affidavit filed by an official in the office of the South African High Court in Tanzania. He struck the affidavit from evidence as he said it was riddled with inconsistencies. According to the judge, the official made contradictory statements in the 2 affidavits she filed. It cannot be that on the one hand, the official says a decision was made to deport them, and on the other hand, say there is agreement in the 2 countries. The other thing is that the affidavit doesn't say when the agreement was concluded. The court cannot rely on her evidence, the judge said. Lobster also struck out some evidence Magudumana brought in her replying papers. In her papers, Magudumana said she had enlisted the services of her lawyer in Tanzania to challenge her detention in that country. She also made reference to statements issued by the police shortly after her arrest in April. The judge said he could not entertain those new facts brought by Magudumana, as she failed to bring them up in her founding papers. Magudumana, Bester and their co-accused are due to appear in the Bloemfontein Magistrate Court for their criminal trial on June 20. Bester, a convicted murderer and rapist, is being detained at Pretoria's Koshimamburu II prison. He is charged with escaping from the Mangaung Correctional Center in May 2022 after allegedly faking his death in a prison cell. His lover Magudumana, anesthetic doctor 36, is being held at the Bizarre Makata Correctional Center in Krookstad. She's facing charges of fraud, violating a body, corruption, and intentionally harboring and concealing an escaped offender. That's all I had for you guys, and I believe, guys, you can already tell from my voice that this woman is celebrating today. I'm celebrating, guys. I'm celebrating this loss for Nandipha Magudumana. I'm celebrating my birthday, and I'm celebrating a win for everyone in South Africa, guys. Those that wants justice to be done, guys. I really thank the Lord today for making this day an amazing one, guys. I'm going to really enjoy today. I'm going to really celebrate, because all I want is for justice to prevail. She is a beautiful woman. It's only that I wish she had a great heart, guys. Guys, you know what? Nandipha needs to be charged, like deeply charged. And they need to even pay for that jet that brought them back together with her lover. Because she wants to mess with people's heads. She thinks she's too clever. She thinks she's too smart. Yes, she may be too smart, yeah, when it comes to her books and everything, but she's not very smart, because if she was very smart, she could not have run away with Thabo Bester. She could have at least stayed and let Thabo run alone. That was Nandipha's chance to actually snitch on Thabo. Unfortunately, she didn't think smart, guys. You know what I mean, guys? But I'm like, oh girl, unfortunately, sometimes intelligence doesn't work everywhere. Yeah, there are those people who are smart just in books, and there are those people who are just smart even in the streets. Unfortunately, Nandipha is not street smart. She doesn't have that one. And I don't even know right now when they were bringing her back, she was saying she wants to go see her children. Where was she going at first? Where was she going when she was leaving her children? Guys, this woman is so interesting. I really like her sometimes, She really makes me laugh alone at times when I think about her ex. But anyway, guys, remember to give this video a like, a share, and consider subscribing just in case you are not. My love is real, and please let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. I'll see you on the next video.